Hey guys, welcome back to the video. I hope you guys are having a great holiday with your family, but while you're doing that, the crypto market is booming. Bitcoin is well over the 44k mark, and with that, a lot of altcoins are also going very explosive, which a lot of people are missing out on. Keep in mind, if you want to 10x your money in a short time, putting your money in Solana or Ethereum is not going to do that. You need to find gems or altcoins which will get you enough money. Keep in mind, there are a lot we can go through, but today I'm going to be giving you 3 of my top picks, and I'm going to be super transparent with you and try to share with you as much as I can. Before we get into it, if you're here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video. It will just help everyone understand what is happening and where to throw their money at. Keep in mind, these are just my picks. Does not mean that you crazily just go at it and just put your money into it. I will also be transparent and tell you guys which one I'm invested in, just so you know. I'm not going to be lying to you that, oh, I just want you to pump this. The first 2 are going to be meme tokens. If you do not know, with the new meme season returning and Bonk doing so well, there is a lot of new meme tokens which are doing very explosive moves. And the third one is actually a very small token, which I believe the network is very big and still has a long way to go. Now, the first one we're going to start off with is this, which is Myro. Now, if you guys have not heard of this token, don't worry, it is still very small and it is very early for you to get into. Right now, the market cap is sitting close to 18 million. The trading volume is sitting on 10 million, which is significant because if you just compare the trading volume to the market cap ratio, that's close to 60%, which is just incredible. Also, the circulating supply is doing quite well because, you know, most of the supply has been capped and not much more is coming out very soon. Also, if we scroll down all the way, this is a meme token, but why do I personally feel like this has a lot of potential? Well, there are a couple of things. First of all, we look at their Twitter page. If you guys do not know, most of the Twitter accounts are now having a blue ticket. If you do not know, you can pretty much pay for the blue ticket, but the golden one means that this account is verified because it's an official organization on X. Now, personally, I'm not saying this is the only reason why I personally like this token, but what I'm trying to say is this shows that there is a little bit of a connection with what this token has in the back end. And it's good to see they have a golden tick. Now, Myro is actually a dog who is a dog of Solana's founder or Solana's co-founder, and that's where this meme came from. Now, keep in mind, Dogecoin was also just a meme token. Same, this is going to be also just a meme token. So you need to understand that this token, personally, if you do not know, most of the meme tokens or just any token in general actually have a very big push when you decide to actually purchase it, and also there's a lot of hype around it. Now, the way I personally feel like Myro is doing quite well is you need to understand their Twitter page is actually extremely active. Not just them posting about it, rather they're actually retweeting a lot of tweets relating to Myro as well. I mean, if you just scroll down a little bit, you guys can see 1 hour ago, 2 hours ago, and then you scroll down a little bit, 2 hours, 8 hours, 3 hours. They are retweeting as much as possible. The Twitter is very active, therefore there will be a lot of community that will be paying a very close attention to it. Now, if we look at their website, it gives you a little bit of perspective. Now, I just want to mention, I do have some money in this token. Also, I am not like being paid by any of these tokens. I'm just telling you guys my personal opinion. But you guys can see this meme token does hold a lot of potential, and seeing that it's only sitting close to, you say, like 18 million, I personally feel like it can definitely do a little bit better. Now, I'm not saying it can beat Bonk and become a $1 billion token, but at least it can make it to 150 million token. That's just my personal opinion. Moving on to the second one. Now, the second one which I personally have picked is Vita Inu. Now, this token is in a very interesting state. That's probably the right word to use. I mean, if you just look over here, everyone is quite bullish on this. The first one which I talked about was on the Solana chain, and this one is actually on the Ethereum chain. If you do want to buy it somewhere else, you are more than welcome to, but Ethereum is the main one that they are working with. This is also a meme token, and it is only available on Get.io and Bybit. Now, those are the big exchanges and also the HTX. Now, this is the important bit. You need to understand, if you want to get into any meme token and you want to be able to make profit, you need to be early in a sense that you are able to get the token before it lists on really big exchanges. That includes Binance and Coinbase. Those are the big ones that you need to pay attention to. Also, KuCoin is one of them, but those are the big exchanges. Before they are listed, that's the time to purchase the tokens. And you can see that Vita Inu has done some good gains, but it's not extreme. It's still in a very good state. I mean, if we look at Myro, it's also not listed on any major exchanges, and if you pay attention to the actual chart, you can see it's in a very good state to buy. Now, Vita Inu's Twitter page, you guys can see it as a blue tick, which I personally think is still okay. The only meme coin with a real world utility, 0 fees, instant settlement, and the highest energy efficiency out there. Now, this is really good to see because you guys can see they're quite active as well. They're having about 3 to 4 posts a day, which is good. I mean, compared to Myro, it's a little bit lower, but I still feel like Vita Inu still has a lot of potential. I mean, they're trying to build something around it, just like Shiba Inu, and if you pay attention, Vita Inu, Shiba Inu, you know, that's gonna catch on very quickly. Now, that's just all I'm trying to say. Now, those are the meme tokens. Now, moving on to another one, which is no longer a meme token. This one is a little bit bigger market cap. You guys can see it is sitting close to 72 million. Now, why do I think the Phala network has a lot of potential? Well, you can see the trading volume is doing really well. The circulating supply is nearly capped. It's at 65%. But one of the best things about this token, yes, it is listed on Binance, but it's still very undervalued. This is part of the Web 3.0. It is part of AI, and what they're trying to do is they are on the Ethereum ecosystem, and you guys know when AI comes in, the cloud services and also your privacy will be very hard to be able to be protected, and this is where Phala network comes in. They're trying to have a privacy preserving cloud computing service which offers the computing power comparable to the existing cloud service and protect the privacy managed programs. So you guys can see they're trying to be part of something which is going to be dealt with very, very heavily soon as more AI is being produced. And you guys know the next big bull is gonna be obviously around AI and gaming sector when it comes to crypto, and this one may be a big pick that you guys can get into. Now, first two, again, meme token. This one I personally feel like is a little bit of a safer bet, as they just had their 4th halving cycle. If you do not know what that means, well, it's just pretty much what Bitcoin is having in a 120 days. So it's just to decrease the rate at which the new ones are created, and at the same time ensuring a steady supply in the circulation. But those are my 3 picks. If you guys have any you would like me to know, then let me know down in the comment section. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, drop a like on it, and I'll see you soon.